not only as a tax haven, but also as a store of value. But here's the argument I have for you. Are you worried about the transaction costs as well as the IRS coming in? Because anytime you transact in digital currency, that transaction is taxed.
Correct. And IRS is having a hard time embracing this. And we saw a lawsuit with Coinbase and other platforms out there where IRS said, look, we want to see all the documentation. We want to tax people. So it's taken a little time to enforce this, and they're working on that. But the offshore banking option here is that you have a corporation abroad. We have quite a few. A lot of investors don't want to get exposed to the U.S. because there are foreigners. So they understand the offshore banking, as well as the wealthy having a chance to keep yourself outside of liabilities in maybe the U.S., but all the other countries as well. I mean, look, when you had the missile from North Korea flying over Japan, you know, the first thing a lot of people in the crypto space thought, wow, I need capital preservation. What if that had landed in our country?
Right. So let's build on this. So bank secrecy laws exist in certain jurisdictions. In the crypto world, you don't necessarily have those laws, but you have a structure that allows you to do that. Do you think the next wave is going to be somehow getting regulators involved and beginning to regulate the activity that goes on in the crypto world to avoid money getting moved around nefariously?
I think that they're going to start doing it. And you got to remember, you know, the SEC hasn't delineated how we're going to deal with it here in the U.S. yet. And there's a lot of uncertainty in that space. And I think as soon as that is resolved, I think Wall Street's coming in. I mean, we have huge corporations from Amazon to, you know, even Starbucks mentioning recently that they're coming into the space. And they understand the value that they create loyalty programs with it. Now, the issue becomes a speculation versus a software accounting software. And, you know, we're starting to see Wall Street coming in. I said that 6 months ago. Normal companies with real revenues coming in. You know, we're working with a lending facility for the first time ever who will lend money to corporations in the U.S. who have a real business, but they want to do a loyalty program, maybe cryptocurrency, a blockchain, and that lending facility will lend now $500,000 to $1 million because the banks won't accept it. They're like, whoa, what are you doing? So, you know, the facility is coming in, and it's becoming more mainstream. And we're going to see that in the next 6 months.
But these companies.
So it's great to see Fox News so positive about cryptocurrencies, and he basically repeated this Swiss bank guy on Fox News is repeating why I'm bullish on cryptocurrencies, is that the regulations haven't been completed yet, and when it does happen, we're going to be seeing a huge bull market. So I'm very happy to see positive news like this come out of Fox News because they're usually always trolling. But let me know what you guys think. I think this is great for the cryptocurrency market, and even though there's a dip right now, I'm very optimistic about the future. But leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't, and let me know what you guys think, and I will get back to you guys soon.